Raeford, North Carolina, stand up. Stains be gon' carpet cleaning in the building. 2 rooms and a hallway. Miss Tamara, we got you. Yeah, live. Stains be gone, yeah, we making it shine. 2 rooms, 1 hall, looking brand new every time. Raeford NC, yeah, you know we on the grind. Isaiah on the ride, watching greatness through a time. Stains be gone, watch the dirt disappear. Fresh lines in the carpet, satisfaction crystal clear. Pulled up clean with the van outside. Equipment locked in, yeah, we coming with pride. Miss Tamara said, can you bring it back to life? Said, give me 1 hour, watch me make it right. Pre-spray down, let it marinate slow. Agitate the fibers, break it down below. Hot water extraction, pulling stains out deep. Now the carpet looking brand new, fresh and neat. 2 rooms, shining hallway, glowing bright. Vacuum line straight, yeah, they looking just right. From traffic lanes dark to a fresh, clean tone. That's why they call us Stains Be Gone. Stains Be Gone.